Next up, I would like to welcome Adan Sanchez de Pedro, tech lead with the Witnet Foundation, which also joins POA Network and Protofire as a sponsor. Please welcome. Thank you. And you've seen the issues live. We just witnessed one of the problems where callback did not come back fast enough for an Oracle provider. So I hope that we will have some ideas on what the solution may be for solving this and making the user experience even greater than it is now. Thank you.
I hope we can solve that. So, okay. You can hear me well because my voice is a little cracky these days, but this is okay. So, I'm going to talk about data oracles, how to get data into smart contracts, and what's the most sensible trust model for that. No data, no party. I'll say it very clearly. If the smart contracts cannot consume data from the external world, they are just toys, okay? We have seen very, very cool use cases for smart contracts in the last 2 years, but the truth to be told, a huge amount of them will not be possible without those smart contracts being capable of consuming data from APIs, from other blockchains, from any kind of external data source. That's super important. But it's not only that a smart contract needs data from the outside. The whole point about the smart contract is running a program in a decentralized way, that no one can tamper with or censor the contract, so that we are sure that it's executed without no one being capable of preventing it, and that the output of the contract is not being manipulated by anyone, okay? So Ethereum is perfect for this because it gives you a decentralized execution environment for your programs, and it works pretty well for that. But this is computer science 101. The output of a program does not only depend on the code, but also on the data it operates upon. So no matter how decentralized, how trustless is your execution environment, you still need some way of feeding data into your programs, into your smart contracts, without having to trust the messenger. So, this approach of feeding data to your own smart contracts through a method in the contract that only the contract owner can call is pointless, because trust is put on the contract creator, who can be hacked, who can be corrupted, who can be taken down, many reasons. So, without decentralized data brokerage into smart contracts, we cannot have smart contracts that make sense, that are truly decentralized, and that solve real problems in a radical way. I am the tech lead at Witnet Foundation, and our main focus is solving this Oracle problem. The Oracle problem is, generally speaking, how do I provide information from the external world to a smart contract without having to trust the messenger? So we are building Witnet, which is our first approach to building a radical solution to this problem. And Witnet is a decentralized network of nodes who earn WIT tokens in exchange for retrieving, aggregating, and delivering data from data sources, from APIs, imagine sport results, stock prices, weather forecast, whatever, into smart contracts on demand by resolving data requests that are introduced into the Witnet network by the smart contract developers in Ethereum or in any other smart contract platform. The kind of smart contracts that are going to be possible having this kind of decentralized data input for smart contracts is so much powerful than what we have today, that it's gonna be impossible for anyone to prevent people from going full peer-to-peer on insurance, on betting. And for example, in insurance, this will create a great opportunity for people to take others' risk, to have other people take their risk, or even to pool their risk into self-managed mutual insurance DAOs. This is something that it's just gonna happen, and it's unstoppable. Okay, this one. So this is a very ambitious thing. We are now closer than ever to get this happen. And we will be releasing Witnet on testnet next January, but we cannot do this alone. So we are already working with some of the most respected projects in the Ethereum sphere, like Adan and District.OX, to understand what are their needs. And we would really love you, the people who are already creating solutions in the insurance space, to come to us to better learn about your needs, about how can we help you create radically decentralized insurance products.
Great, thank you very much.